Washington, Reuters. U.S. President Donald Trump on Thursday criticized Federal Reserve policy even though most economists believe the highest inflation in 7 years and lowest unemployment in 40 years justify recent interest rate rises and a strong U.S. dollar. Trump said he was concerned about the potential impact on the U.S. economy and American corporate competitiveness from rising rates and a stronger dollar. A euro trademark am not thrilled he said in an interview on CNBC television. A euro because we go up and every time you go up they want to raise rates again. I am not happy about it. But at the same time a euro trademark am letting them do what they feel is best a euro. I don't a euro trademark t like all of this work that we euro trademark re-putting into the economy and then I see rates going up a euro he said. Trump said he was concerned that the euro or Chinese currency was dropping like a rock a euro and the strong US dollar a euro puts us at a disadvantage a euro. US Treasury debt yields ended the day lower and the US dollar slipped from the session highs to end little changed after Trump a euro trademark's comments. After more than 6 years of record low interest rates that helped the US economy recover from the 2008 financial crisis, the Fed began to slowly raise rates again in December 2015 and has raised them 5 times since Trump took office in January 2017. The U.S. Central Bank last raised borrowing costs in June, and in an address to Congress this week Fed Chair Jerome Powell repeated his view that rates would keep rising slowly now that the unemployment rate was at the lowest since the 1960s and consumer price inflation was 2.9% annually in June. U.S. central bankers project 2 more interest rate increases this year and another 3 in 2019. Steady U.S. economic growth of around 2.0% in the first quarter of this year and rising interest rates, at a time when the European Central Bank and the Bank of Japan are keeping their rates low, helped the U.S. dollar climb to its highest level in a year in July. This was not the first time Trump departed from a long-standing practice by U.S. presidents of respecting the Federal Reserve euro trademark's independence by refraining from commenting on interest rates or the value of the U.S. dollar, a custom he dismissed on Thursday. A euro trademark am just saying the same thing that I would have said as a private citizen a euro Trump said. A euro so somebody would say, a euro, maybe you shouldn't a euro trademark t say that as president a euro trademark I couldn't a euro trademark t care less what they say because my views haven't a euro trademark t changed a euro. Later, the White House said in a statement that Trump respects the Fed a euro trademark's independence and was not interfering with its policy decisions. Trump nominated current Fed Chair Powell, who had served as a governor on the board of the U.S. Central Bank, to serve at its helm after Janet Yellen a euro trademark's retirement in February. In his remarks to CNBC, Trump called Powell a very good man a euro. Trump has further reshaped the Fed a euro trademark's leadership by appointing its vice chair for regulation and nominating 2 more Fed governors, both mainstream economists. Trump regularly claims that his policies, especially tax cuts enacted by Congress last December, have created jobs and economic growth. But most economists credit the Fed with engineering the economic recovery that began in 2010, and is now the second longest U.S. economic expansion on record, by keeping interest rates at historically low levels and buying back U.S. Treasury debt to inject liquidity into the market. A euro at his statement doesn't a euro trademark t make a lot of sense to me a euro said Mike Lorizio, head of Treasuries trading at Manulife Asset Management. A euro economy has been on its strongest footing in some time a euro. Most economists believe the Fed a euro trademark's current policy of raising interest rates is sound monetary policy given U.S. consumer price inflation is at an annual rate of 2.9% and the unemployment rate was at 4.0% in June. A euro thing fueling the dollar's strength is the strength of the U.S. economy a euro said Michael O. a euro trademark Rourke, chief market strategist at Jones Trading in Greenwich, Connecticut. A euro trademark relooking at 4.0% GDP growth for Q2, record low unemployment, the lowest initial jobless claims number in 50 years, and inflation above the official target a euro he said. A euro those things point to the Fed continuing to raise interest rates and the economy being fairly strong, Relative to all the global issues going on, trade wars, the fear in Europe of Brexit without a clear path. A euro trademark surprised the dollar is not higher a euro. Economists say the biggest risk to America euro trademark's economic growth are Trump euro trademark's own policies, especially his imposition of import tariffs on China and Europe as well as allies like Mexico and Canada. American companies may find themselves less able to compete globally as import tariffs contribute to rising input costs, forcing them to raise prices or lower their profit margins. However, many analysts doubt Trump euro trademark's comments will have much impact on Federal Reserve policy or the markets. A euro I don't a euro trademark think this is indicative of any pending action from the administration that would limit Fed power a euro, said Thomas Simons, money market economist at investment bank Jefferies in New York. A euro a good sign of proof there is who he has been naming to the open board spots at the Fed a euro, he said. A euro or they are all people with strong independent views on monetary policy and the economy and economic theory. They are legitimate, verified, bona fide economists and business leaders who are independent a euro.